I bet you didn't know that resort style living could be seamlessly integrated into the beauty of living amongst acreage here in the Middle Tennessee area. Stick with me because I'm going to take you inside this stunning home that is unlike anything that we've ever seen. And we've seen plenty of gorgeous homes, but this is one of a kind and it's in a league all of its own. So let's go inside and take a look. Welcome to a home that redefines what it means to live beautifully. This is not just a house, but a retreat, a sanctuary that radiates warmth, elegance, and character at every turn. From the moment you arrive, the front motor court sets the tone, guiding you into a private river rock courtyard, your first of many outdoor living spaces. Picture quiet mornings or cozy evenings gathered around the fire pit under the Tennessee sky. Inside, you're immediately greeted by layers of soft, creamy hues and textures that invite you to settle in and stay a while. The home's organic, natural flow is felt in every corner, where one space effortlessly transitions to the next, creating an intuitive living experience. With over 6,400 square feet, the thoughtful H-shaped design offers a natural division between living and sleeping wings, while the central heart of the home is made for entertaining, bathed in natural light with seamless connections to outdoor living at every turn. The primary retreat is truly its own sanctuary. A spacious bedroom overlooking the pool creates a peaceful escape, while boutique-style his and her closets flow effortlessly into the spa-inspired bath. Think double vanities, a zero-entry shower, standalone tub, his and her toilets, and your own private sliding glass door opening right onto the pool deck, where luxury meets intention. And outside, it gets even better. On nearly 11 private acres, your resort-style pool and detached pool house comes complete with a full kitchen, bathroom, and barbecue kitchen, and it's ready for unforgettable days and nights spent with family and friends. Plus, for the collector, creator, or entrepreneur, there's an impressive 5,500 square foot workshop, partially heated and cooled, offering endless possibilities. This is more than just a home. It's an experience, a lifestyle, and it's waiting for you. Now this home, its address 4484 Cedar Grove Road, and this is located in Murfreesboro, which is gonna be about 45 to 50 minutes outside of Nashville. But this home, if you are really looking for that one-of-a-kind unique home, this is it. If you want to learn more about a private showing or just moving to the Middle Tennessee area, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. All of our contact information is below. I'm Caitlin Martin, and I'll see you next time.